Well guys, I'm going to get started with this can of paint. I'm going to be honest, it's hot in here, so I'm not running that fan, but I want to be honest and tell you that I've never sprayed paint with one of these sprayers. I have sprayed, or tried to spray some primer one time, and I think it covered up or something. Like I said, it was pretty much a disaster. It didn't work out like I wanted to. This paint says do not mix more than 20% thinner. It's pretty thin. So what I'm going to do to start with, I'm going to make up 20% is one part per 5. I don't know how much I'm going to need really. I'm going to start with about that much. Maybe some of y'all know how to do this without making a mess. Y'all can be sure to put me a comment on this video. Maybe next time when I get ready to paint the exterior, I'll know a little bit more about it. Well, put red paint all over my bag. Luckily it's cardboard, so no biggie. Oh, I might put some gloves on too, because I know this stuff's hard to get off your hand. Where are they at here? I can't even see my mark. How you supposed to tell where your mark's at when you can't see it through all the paint? So I'm just going to add a little bit. See what that does. I'll do about 1 to 5. Shit. I need to give you some easy pour cans instead of that crap. That's pretty damn thin. That's almost as thin as water. Alright, Dan. I don't know a whole lot about this paint then. I'm probably going to leak all over me. Cheap ass Harbor Freight crap. Let's see what it is. Well, I sure like to learn. I want to paint my truck. Then see what we can do with this one piece right here. If I can set up and see. Running. Way too thin or something. Just this way. I think I've got it maxed off pretty good. Thing hanging around here while I can see it on recording. Alright. We're just going to start up here, I guess. Well, I think my paint is just too thin and it's just spraying out like crazy. Well, maybe you can see something. A little bit anyway. Well guys, there it is. Not great, but it's not bad. I finally figured out the right knob combination on that gun so I wasn't just shooting out streams of paint like I started with. So it's hard for me to get down up in there, up in here with that gun. It's so tall. I really needed to take about half that stuff off there. And we got this other side painted. That this is the top of it. And it won't show, but actually it turned out to be a lot better than that first one I painted. So it's runny as hell. But anyway, I got my gun cleaned. And that was a pain in the butt. But on this guns here, this knob right here is what controls your material. I was turning this knob here, which controlled how much you could pull your handle out. But that's the one I needed to turn. But once I turned it, started spraying pretty decent. And so anyway, we got it painted. Now I gotta wait for this to dry. Probably tomorrow. Tack that thing on there. I should have went ahead and tacked it, but it's much easier to paint it hanging up like this. I got a little bit of red spray paint in the can. I can go back and touch up where I need to. So anyway, fellas, we'll holler at you later.